Today I'm going to show you why custom is greater than stock at Akins Ford and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia is the F450 king. Let's go. I'm 40 years old and I'm a firm believer in what Young Jeezy says. 26 inches make it sit up like a truck. When you got the Forgiatos with the floaters, you got something special. Our latest sold 25 Akins Ford F450 Platinum Plus. That's right. I'm going to show you the inside. It's a true separator, but also our Reserve Edition 5.5 inch Carli PINTOP lift on 38 and 26 inch Forgies. This is a total diamond. The floating center cap sets the stage for 26 inches, 38, 13.5, 26 Fury Country Hunter MT. Foundationally, we're on a premier off-road suspension kit from Carli, the PINTOP. These shocks are specifically valved and tuned for off-road performance. When combined with the Carli torsion sway bar with end links, dual steering stabilizer with those Kings looking amazing. When you see this truck coming head on, you see those King shocks, you know it means business, and obviously that Akins and Wild Willies tag validates. From this angle, and especially driving the truck, you don't feel like you're 5.5 inch lifted on 38s. It drives so well, and that's a point of pride for all of our custom packages here. It's not just about the looks, it's got to have the equipment to go along with it. I can easily upsell quality but inferior products. I can guarantee you they ain't coming from Real Deal or Wild Willies. Standard is the standard, and we're not going to deviate. This truck having our midnight paint package, everything's blacked out. Side mirrors, all that texture removed. This whole complete area here was non-premium texture material that's just not on our level. Light smoke on the side marker, a gate black everywhere. When you're inside the vehicle, you're seeing nothing but primo. 6.7 side badge as well as our F450 Platy, all agate black. Side hip light, inside the headlight, all agate black. Chrome deleted completely. Front grille, all agate black. Even on the center bumper portion, trimmer valence down below, painted to match. Both pieces on the fog light surround, agate black. Black on black is just timeless, y'all. It just works and flows. I do love the iconic silver on the Forgy cap. Ties in nicely with our suspension components. Side bed step, all agate black. Kept the step pad textured. If you're using that a lot, that's not a bad combo right there. Trifold bed cover out back. Long travel airbags in the rear with the Kings, baby. And a Carli full progressive leaf pack for optimal ride quality. The tread pattern is aggressive on the Fury Country Hunter MTs, but to be so aggressive with minimal sidewall, I'm very impressed with this tire. Such a substantial truck. I love it. Black on black, Reserve Edition. Applique out back. We have the legit applique on the Platinum Plus. Take note of. A gate black and light smoke on the tails. Just midnight from every angle. The Forgiato wheels come direct bolt on, so our mild to wild scale is slightly more on the mild side. It's still sticking out about 5 inches in the rear and about 3 in the front, but the 450 combos with the adapter, it just protrudes out so much. Take note of also, on the rear of the Forgies, we typically have to put a spacer in between the two tires because the way it's derived and set up from Forgy, these tires, especially under load, will actually be touching without that, so that was a must to get everything shored up and legit for our great customer. This one's headed to Craftsman Construction. We appreciate all of our great customers for trusting in us. Please remember, anybody can sell anybody one time. That repeat business is what I take great pride in, because that means we're consistently delivering on our promise of being the best in all phases. Just like this interior, it's a one of one. Smoked truffle got me feeling like the Java Station. It feels so premium, yet so different because it's not the typical black interior you would expect. Alcantara headliner, a mix of browns and tan, contrast stitching and accents, massaging seats, even the panels right here, primo with the pillow top, diamond stitching everywhere. 500 horsepower and 1,200, that's right, 1,200 pound-feet of torque is truly incredible. This truck will do anything you need it to with safety and convenience. Such a special truck. Window sticker info, SED 49769 is a stock, 107,070 before our Reserve Edition package. Yes, I know, prices keep climbing. All we're going to do is continue to be consistent in delivering exceptional products across all platforms because that's what you deserve. Another stellar diamond headed out here from Akins Ford and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. I'm so thankful and blessed to be a part of this great movement we've got going on in the automotive industry. And please understand, I just hit 40. I'm just getting started. Hit that subscribe button. I'm coming to you every day with nothing but diamonds. Peace out.